Good morning, mister. You lucky? I get to stay home today. Yeah. Well, actually, I have to go to the dentist later, as I mentioned before. I'm going to have a good breakfast, brats, and milk. Cinnabon just had his breakfast, so it's my turn now. Then we can go downstairs and see if he wants to play. He took off early today, around 4 o'clock. He would not leave me alone, so I'm like, you want to go outside, don't you? And he sure did. Don't know what he did, but I'm sure he had fun. Watching them birds out there, that's what he does. Watch them birds, huh, buddy? And there's one right in front of you, huh? Oh, there's a couple right in front of you. Yeah, he wants after. Look at his tail. He wants those birds. Cinnabon was crying for his daddy. He wants to play or something. Do you want to play, buddy? Oh. Well, hello there, mister. Hello there. Okay, let's play on the steps. We'll try to play on the steps. He doesn't always like to play on the steps, or do you? Not all the time, no. I think sometimes he just likes me to go downstairs with him. Oh. Good at that. Good at that. Look, it's hopping on the step. You gonna put an end to that? You just like to watch it, don't you? It's cat TV to you, yeah. Ooh, here we go. There we go. It's like 2019 all over again. Yeah. Ooh, he's gonna go somewhere. Oh, I thought he was gonna go down way all the way downstairs. It's bunny kicks, my goodness. This is one of our Dollar Tree toys. Yeah. Oh no, it's cute when he keeps his mouth open. It's like a snake. Oh no. Just let him have it. Sometimes he just rips it, brings it downstairs, huh? Oh, it's a crinkle ball. Ready? Hi. Hey, buddy. What you want me to do? You want me to go downstairs? Want me to go down there and see you? Ooh. Oh, he's going to try to sneak past me. He's going to try to sneak past his daddy. Oh, can he do it? Can he do it? Oh, hey, mister. All right, I'm going down here. Watch out. Watch out. Don't want to get you. Don't want to get you. And small. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, about 20 times your weight. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Yeah. Oh, look what I got. Look what I got. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, it's under the steps. Can you get it? Oh, do you want the dark saber part of it? Is that what you're looking for? The dark saber? Huh? Oh. Whoa, he got it. He got it. Oh, oh no, it's in your belly. Want to go down here and play, buddy? Is that what you want? Ooh, which one of these do you want to play with? We'll try the bat one, okay? We'll try the big bat one. Oh, it's not that big. I got it at Target. Ooh, here we go, mister. Ooh, here we go. That's your tail. That's your tail. Oh, there we go. Oh, cut you in half, Darth Maul. Whoa. Whoa. Yikes. He got just tearing the carpet up. Ooh, that's your tail. Oh. Yikes. We'll let him have it for a bit. Tear that thing apart, buddy. You're tearing it apart. Ooh, no, it's getting away. Oh, not anymore. Oh, there we go. Use all 4 legs against this thing, huh? Boop, boop. All right. That's your tail. That's your feet. That's your hand. Here, let's see if he does anything. You're a pretty chill kitty, huh? Yeah, he's a chill cat. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. Inspecting my trash cans, mister? Felt a little bump on his back. Make sure it's not a tick. There's a piece of dirt. Oh, there's something there. Hang on. We'll find out what it is. Might be a small little tick. It's kind of hard to see down here. I'll check it out upstairs and I'll destroy whatever it is. Yeah. Assuming it's not part of him, which I don't think it is. No. Oh. You just want to chill now, buddy? Yeah, that's okay. That's quite all right with me. I don't mind. Yeah. You want to play some more? You want to play some more? Hmm? You go under the rug? Ooh, he likes that. Ooh. Ooh, it's gone. Boop, boop. You're gonna have it. It's all you now, buddy. All right, my friend, I'm gonna head upstairs now, okay? Yeah? Get that tick out of here or whatever it is. Inspect it and get it out. Yeah. Dr. Lex. It's a little one. Sometimes they're really small. All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for watching. It smells like brats up here. I don't wonder why. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. What is it, snowing out there now? Oh, it must be from a tree. So I'm going to say bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye.